If you are looking for pop-up toasters, here's a collection you've got to see. At any time you like, just click this banner and get real-time deal on your favorite products. Number 1, by Morphy Richards. Our editor choice, now only at 1,599 rupees. Number 2, by Solimo. Available now on Amazon only at 999 rupees. Number 3, by Philips. Get your favorite pop-up toasters now. Just click this circle in the corner. Number 4, by Bajaj. Available now on Amazon only at 1,199 rupees. Number 5, by Morphy Richards. For more info about these great online deals, click this banner in the corner. Number 6. Save up to 210 rupees on this great pop-up toasters deal. Number 7, by Pigeon. Available now on Amazon only at 1,099 rupees. Number 8, by Bajaj. Number 9, by Black Plus Decker. Get these great online deals now. Click this banner for real-time updates. Number 10, by Sumit.